Hi, my name is Dr. Tracy Taylor. I am the Director of DNP Clinical Experiences at the University of Florida College of Nursing. Exxat was great and really helped us move those data into the system. And what we found, even in version 3, it was much more robust than what we were using previously. And Prism just knocks it out of the park. So we're very, very happy with that transition and very happy with the upgraded and updated system of Prism. But the team made it seamless for us to really move those data in a way that made sense for us. So mostly what we use Prism for is to manage the day-to-day, all of the things that you have to do surrounding clinical placements for those doctoral level, in our case, experiences. We have several nurse practitioner tracks, and we primarily use it for graduate clinical education tracking. Having said that, we are currently in process of trying to transition some of our undergraduate onto the system, as well as our Office of Student Services is getting ready to move a lot of their processes into the system. It's been a game changer for us having all of the data in one system instead of everyone owning their own spreadsheet and having to consult this spreadsheet and that spreadsheet and things and teams and all over the place. It's really a game changer to have all of the data at your fingertips collated in a meaningful way. Well, we manage every facet of the placement in Prism itself. So from the very beginning, the student gets entered into the system and then they get added to the curriculum, they are enrolled in courses, and then from there we set up the learning activities that they need, including timesheets so we can track when they're there and make sure that gets verified. And we have the patient log experiences set up, but there's pre-work that goes before that, and that pre-work is what our team really handles. And that is setting up the course, of course, but it's also ensuring that the placement, all of the information is entered in for the placement. That includes vetting the preceptor, making sure all the preceptor information is there, making sure the contract is there, the site, the location, and sometimes sites have more than one location, so really making sure you're assigning those appropriately. There's a lot of pre-work, but because the system is so intuitive, it's really just a matter of a click. And it makes that whole process seamless. We're actually able to then go in and even assign the clinical faculty right there in the same screen. We don't have to leave and go out and do that and attach them elsewhere. It's right there. It's all in one area, which makes it so user-friendly, and we just love that feature. Recently, we rolled out using wish lists, and although we do all of our placements for our students, some students have made their own connections with preceptors, and they really want to use that preceptor. So we have created a wish list, which is very specific to our needs, which Exxat was great with helping us set up, and we're so thankful for that. But it has a very robust dashboard. We can tell where it is in process. The faculty go in and approve or not approve the placement in that piece. And if we decide that it is a correct placement after vetting, then it gets moved over to a real placement. It makes it so seamless. I would tell you that I wish this product was around 20 years ago when I got into academia, because the hours and hours, I'm not even kidding, I would hate to even add it up, but the hours that this has saved me in efficiencies without having to call student services to look up phone numbers and call this place and call this faculty to figure out where that student is, and then the back and forth with contracting, all of that's in one system. What used to take me sometimes multiple emails and hours to do now is at a click of a button. It really is that simple. And the efficiencies that it's brought to our process has also affected our students. Our students have better student outcomes. We have a 100% pass rate. And I really think a lot of that is due to the high quality placements, and we're able to guarantee those placements early because we have a quality system in which to do it.